Okay, so this is my all about the raids project. I definitely like this one a lot more better because it had these steps, with the little checklist with the trailer thing. It was just a lot more easier but challenging at the same time. But anyways, the project this right here is my little the strings for the random sentence. This is for the 80s rapper's name. You got your sum, min, max arrays down here. Bubble sort, which arrange numbers from least to greatest. It's 5 patterns right here, and then the sentence generator right here with the random words, and then the sentence you have us use. At the bottom right down here, this is what I got. I was working down the school around 12:44 with my best friend David Ortiz, and we driving a built stapler that was a Handsome stapler. And for the 80s rapper, I got Big Beard Jackson. And if you go down, there is your array numbers, sum, which if you do add up all these numbers right here, you will get 845. The minimum of the array is 80. The high and max is 88. Because if you go down here, you get the bubble, so it's already got it in order. There goes your min, which is 80, and there goes your max, which is 88. And here goes your little patterns right down here, which is 6x6, and all asterisks. 6x6 increasing by rows, and 6x6 increasing by columns, and then 1 by 1 increasing by rows and columns. You get up to 6 with all asterisks, and then the same thing with the numbers.